Comfort and functionality. Standard seat for driver and front passenger. Standard seat for the two front seats with lumbar support, seat heating and electric seat adjustment including memory function also for exterior mirrors, steering column. Selected standard equipment. You will find selected standard equipment for your vehicle here. Discover more information using the BMW products app available for smartphones and tablets. Rear seats. Occupants enjoy maximum comfort of the three equipped rear seats, the center armrest, the comfort cushion in the optional multifunction seat, and the integrated head restraints create a comfortable lounge feeling on the outer seats. 3-point seat belts and ISOFIX child seat mountings increase safety. Seat heating for driver and front passenger. Even before the engine has reached its running temperature, the seat heating for driver and front passenger provides pleasant warmth adjustable in different intensity levels. The heating elements warm the seat cushion surface, the side sections, and the entire contact surface of the backrest separately and as needed. Seat adjustment electric with memory. The electrical seat adjustment with memory function makes adjusting the driver's and front passenger seats particularly comfortable and easy. The seat height, seat angle, seat position, and the backrest angle can be adjusted. A particularly practical feature, the memory function allow you to save the settings for the driver's seat and exterior mirrors. Air conditioning automatic with 4-zone control. The automatic air conditioning with 4-zone control allows an individual climate comfort for you, the front passenger as well as the rear seat passengers. Convenient and practical, the rear seat passengers can control the temperature of their area separately via their own control. A nanoparticle filter for fresh and recirculated air also improves the air quality. Comfort access. Save yourself the hassle of having to hold the vehicle key. With Comfort Access, your BMW unlocks the doors automatically. The vehicle recognizes you from a distance by your key. You no longer have to search in your pockets instead of a classic key. You can also use a compatible smartphones as a digital key plus or the key card. Soft close function for doors. Comfortable and quiet. The soft close function automatically pulls the slightly open door shut with no unpleasant noise. All you need to do is simply lean the door against the lock. The soft close function closes and secures the door completely. Storage options. The storage options in your BMW allow quick access in personal item. A variety of options are available to you. An electrically opening glove compartment, front and rear door pockets, storage compartments in the center console, coat hook and cup holders as well as a storage compartment in front and rear armrests. Automatic tailgate operation. The automatic tailgate operation allows users to open and close the tailgate electrically. At the push of a button in the interior or on the vehicle key, it can also be opened using the tailgate button and closed using a button on the inside of the tailgate. An acoustic warning signal increases safety.